customize keyboard shortcuts for edit time menu items, let's follow the following steps. Let's go to the Tools palette, the Tools menu, then select Options, then wait for the Options dialog box to appear. From the Categories section, go to Menu Shortcuts, and there you can select the shortcut that you would like to create, and then use this dialog box to specify the key combinations, and then press the set button when it becomes available. When you press an alpha key or a numeric key, LabVIEW automatically inserts Ctrl key before it. Also, if you press Shift and then alpha key or Shift and then numeric key, LabVIEW also inserts the Control key by default. But if you press Function key, LabVIEW does not insert Control key. To prepend Control key to a function key, you will have to press Control key and then the function key yourself. Please note that LabVIEW does not support Alt key combinations. You cannot use Alt with any key combinations at present. If you select a key combination that LabVIEW reserves as a shortcut, a warning appears and LabVIEW disables the key combination like this, and you cannot press the set button. But if you select a key combination that is already being used, for example Ctrl N is being used, and you then use it, then LabVIEW shows you a warning but still allows you to set this conflicting item. Further, when you have set a key, then you would want, if you would want to restore it, then you can press the restore button to restore the key to its default value. If there is an item, menu item, that is dimmed, then LabVIEW will not respond to keyboard shortcuts for that particular item. So this is, and when you are done, you can press the OK button to commit the settings to LabVIEW and use it in your programming. So this is how we can use this dialog box menu shortcuts to set our own shortcuts to use while we are programming. If this helped you, then please share this video and keep visiting. Your presence is highly desired. Thanks for watching.